with. Today we will look at one of my personal favorites, das Fettnäpfchen, which literally means small ball of fat. Das Fettnäpfchen. And the phrase to use is ins Fettnäpfchen treten. Ins Fettnäpfchen treten. To step into a little ball of fat. It's a very figurative expression and means that you said something that embarrasses another person or that is insensitive. The English equivalent would be to put one's foot in it. And in French you would probably say something like a faux pas. For example, let's say your teacher gained a few kilos over the summer. And you say, "Oh, Miss Soto, are you pregnant?"
Sind Sie schwanger?
And the teacher just says, "No, I'm not." Oops, that is a Fettnäpfchen. Or let's say you're meeting your old friend from school and you're saying, "Oh, nice to see you, how are you? And how is Gary? He was always such a sweet and fun guy." And your friend says, "He divorced me." Yeah, a Fettnäpfchen. And the third example is two guys meeting and bragging about other women, and then one guy says to the other, "And have you seen this girl? She's so hot, man. I'd like to meet her." "Hey, you're talking about my daughter." Oops, Fettnäpfchen. The best example of someone who continuously and hilariously steps into Fettnäpfchen is Michael Scott from The Office. Go check it out. He is hilarious. Now let's have a look how to use Fettnäpfchen in a sentence. You can say, "Ich bin voll ins Fettnäpfchen getreten." Ich bin voll ins Fettnäpfchen getreten. I completely put my foot in it. Or you can say about someone, "Sie trifft oft ins Fettnäpfchen." She often puts her foot in it. Sie tritt oft ins Fettnäpfchen. And in a question, you could say something like, "Da bist du wohl ins Fettnäpfchen getreten." Da bist du wohl ins Fettnäpfchen getreten. Looks like you put your foot in it. Do you have more examples of Fettnäpfchens? Then let me know in the comments. Watch again and subscribe. Let me know what you want to see next. I hope you enjoyed this little clip. Tschüss, bis zum nächsten Mal.